let's say the reference point was wrong. Maybe a few things to point out there. If I'm selecting data, so here I am under my computer going on to network drive or my local drive, everything under my computer is read-only. I cannot change it or alter it. So if I right-click here, there is no edit properties. I have to have the data within my project. So if I go to this conditioning toolbar here, now I have an edit properties where I didn't before. So I can edit data in only the active and open project. And if I want to take data from another project to edit it in my current project, I can do that just by taking this data, hitting copy, and then I can come up to my current project here, right click and pick paste, and it'll copy it over. And then if something like the reference ID was wrong, if I go to edit properties here you can see I can edit the point IDs. And normally that you would do one at a time because they might be different. Maybe the reference is in common. So if I hit next, you see that the reference ID or point ID is changing. But maybe for all of these, the reference point ID should have been something else. And in this case, maybe let's say it was supposed to be 0.5 or something like that. If I say apply to all, everything I had highlighted all got changed at once. So that's how you can change the reference point IDs in mass at once. You do need to be careful with this. If you had individual ones and you needed individual ones that are different, doing an apply to all applies to all. You should have maybe started with just the one, or you could apply just to the current, and then that would be safe. So it depends what you need to do. Hopefully that answered the question.